Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about something that is an absolute game changer in this industry. That is called Building Information Modeling, which is also known as BIM. If you are a civil engineer and... Hey you! My little cat who loves me. Anyway, guys, if you are a civil engineer and you want to learn how BIM can help you in your career, by the end of this video, you're going to learn why BIM is important and how it can future-proof your career. So, let's go. Oh, isn't she so adorable? She's my little baby. Mwah. Okay. Alright guys, so what is BIM? BIM is just a set of 3D models that are comprised of different trades. You have your architectural, your structural, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and fire life safety. The whole point of BIM is to mimic what you see in the field before laying a shovel in the ground. Once you've developed a robust BIM model, the next step is to just go build that construction project with less time and money.
Whoa, did you just say less time and money?
Yes, less time and money. This is because in the process of creating our BIM model, we have already performed clash detection, which have rerouted our fire sprinklers so that they're not colliding against a structural column or a domestic water pipe.
You know what? That is pretty cool. Can you tell me more about BIM?
Of course. First of all, BIM is all about collaboration. BIM allows everyone involved in the project to access the same data and work with each other in real time. This helps to reduce errors and increase efficiency and accuracy of the construction documents. Do you know what that means? It means fewer miscommunication and zero costly mistakes due to last-minute changes in the field.
I'm not gonna lie, I am pretty impressed. But if BIM is that great, why won't more people use it?
It's because a lot of people are not aware of the potential benefits of BIM and how to get started with BIM. On top of that, the initial cost of implementing BIM can be quite expensive due to software cost and the high salaries of BIM engineers.
You know what? My son is a civil engineer. Let me give him a call.
Yeah, sure. Let's do it. Let's give your son a call.
Hey son, I'm going to invite you to a Zoom meeting, okay?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, what's up?
Doing good. Yourself?
Wow, you look just like your dad.
Yeah, I know, right? He's my dad.
So, your dad told me that you are a civil engineer. Have you ever heard about BIM?
Yeah, I've heard of BIM. I know what BIM is. It's basically 3D models in a simulated environment, right? But how would that help me as a civil engineer?
Yeah, sure. I'm glad you asked the question. As a civil engineer, BIM would allow you to create more detailed, accurate models of bridges, roadways, utilities, and more. You have the ability to visualize the end result before construction. Now, this will help you understand very complex designs and analyze the model for potential design flaws before making costly last-minute changes in the field.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense. I mean, do you recommend learning BIM?
Oh yeah, 100%. Because by learning BIM, you're not only enhancing your current skill set, but you're also future-proofing your career. Right now, a lot of people are not really adopting this technology, but 10 years later, 20 years later, I feel like everything is going to be BIM focused and pre-construction is going to be very, very big in this industry.
That sounds pretty good. How do I get started?
Yeah, so there's really 3 ways to do it. First, you can apply for a master's degree in construction management while specializing in BIM. I know a lot of universities have this program, whether it is in the US or the UK or in Asia. Now, second, if you work for a company that has a BIM department, you can actively seek for BIM opportunities and learn from your BIM manager, and then slowly try to make that transition over to BIM. Now, third, you could attend a BIM bootcamp and graduate in about 6 to 7 months.
You know, the first option does sound like the best, but it's going to take 2 years and 100,000 in student loans, so that's not going to work for me. The second option also does not work for me because my company does not have a BIM department. So I think the bootcamp does sound like the most feasible option. Can you tell me more about the bootcamp?
Yeah, of course. I actually came across this bootcamp called BIM Professional Course for Civil Engineers by Novatr, and this is what the bootcamp is all about.
Novatr's BIM Professional Course for Civil Engineers is a 7-month-long program that helps you make that transition over to building information modeling full-time. And the best part is, you'll be learning from industry experts at some of the biggest names like AECOM, Arup, Jacobs, and many more. This course covers everything from foundational BIM concepts to advanced modeling techniques using Revit and Navisworks. The curriculum is structured into 12 modules with a final capstone project that simulates a real-world scenario. You will also be receiving 2 free specializations that will help you narrow your learning and find your own niche that works best for you. My 2 favorite would be the 4-5-6D with BIM and BIM for infrastructure.
Okay. So what happens after the bootcamp?
So after the bootcamp, each student will receive a certificate of completion, and the career success team will work with you on a one-to-one basis to help you tailor your resume and ace that job interview with potential companies.
Wow, that's crazy. Thank you so much for breaking it down for me. I really understand the benefits of BIM and how we can future-proof my career. I'm going to sign up for the bootcamp. I'm going to sign up for the bootcamp right now.
So with BIM, the possibilities are endless.
I'm going to sign up for the bootcamp right now.
So you can start your job as a BIM engineer.
I'm going to sign up for the bootcamp right now.
Alright, I really hope that helps. Good luck with the bootcamp, and I wish you all the best.